The UK is rolling out new sponsorship rules for care workers in England. In this video, we discuss how employers must first consider hiring from the existing pool of displaced workers before recruiting from abroad.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The UK government has introduced new rules for sponsoring care workers and senior care workers under the skilled worker route. These changes aim to support displaced care staff already in the UK, while reducing worker exploitation in the care sector. According to the update, before sponsoring new recruits from overseas or from other immigration categories, care providers in England must first attempt to recruit from the existing pool of care workers and senior care workers who are seeking new employment. This ensures that workers already in the UK, who may have lost their sponsorship due to employers losing their sponsor licenses or being unable to provide sufficient work, are given priority. To enforce this requirement, sponsors must engage with the relevant regional or sub-regional partnership in their area. Before submitting a sponsorship application for a new worker from overseas or another immigration category, sponsors must obtain confirmation from the regional partnership stating that they have actively engaged in this recruitment process and that no suitable workers were available. These changes apply only to care worker sponsorships in England. They do not affect applications for work in Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland. Additionally, the new requirements do not apply to workers who were already sponsored in these occupations before the changes took effect, including those changing employers, and individuals switching from other immigration routes, provided they have been working lawfully for their sponsor for at least 3 months. The UK care sector has seen an increase in skilled worker visa holders losing their sponsorship, often due to employers facing financial difficulties or regulatory issues. By prioritising recruitment from this existing pool, the government aims to provide stability for care workers already in the UK while ensuring ethical recruitment practices in the sector. Care providers looking to sponsor new workers must engage with their regional or sub-regional partnership, attempt to recruit from the pool of displaced care workers, and obtain confirmation that no suitable candidates were available before seeking overseas recruits. Employers should stay updated on immigration rules to ensure compliance and to support a sustainable workforce in the care sector. What are your thoughts on the new hiring process of care workers? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.